Learn English to Gujarati. Credibility to.
विश्वसनीयता,
Reputation to.
प्रतिष्ठा.
Welcome to the Trust Circus. Hey, you are about to learn some big, brainy words without falling asleep on page 2. We will make them memorable, useful, and a little ridiculous. Welcome to the Grand Trust Circus, where every performer is not judged by how sparkly the costume is, but by something much more important. The ringmaster announces the stars of tonight's show: credibility, reputation, trustworthiness, transparency, traceability, plausibility, and coherence. In Gujarati, those stars are.
विश्वसनीयता, प्रतिष्ठा, विश्वसनीयता.
Again for trustworthiness.
पारदर्शिता, अनुसरणीयता, संभाव्यता.
And.
सुसंगतता.
Yes, one of them appears twice, like that actor who plays twins and still asks for double snacks. Meet the word celebrities. Let us meet the vocabulary one by one, like guests arriving at a very serious party where even the biscuits are academic. Listen, repeat, and imagine the scene. Credibility means people believe you because you seem reliable and true. In Gujarati, that is.
विश्वसनीयता,
Imagine a journalist wearing a golden badge that says.
विश्वसनीयता.
Reputation is the opinion people have about you over time. In Gujarati, it is.
प्रतिष्ठा,
Think of a shiny nameplate on a door. Good actions built that.
प्रतिष्ठा.
Trustworthiness is the quality of being dependable. In Gujarati, again, it is.
विश्वसनीयता,
So credibility and trustworthiness are close neighbors sharing the same Gujarati apartment. Transparency means openness, nothing hidden. In Gujarati, it is.
पारदर्शिता,
Picture a glass office where even the stapler has no secrets. That is.
पारदर्शिता.
Traceability means you can follow something step by step back to its source. In Gujarati, it is.
अनुसरणीयता,
Think of a package with labels so clear that even a lost samosa can be tracked home with.
अनुसरणीयता.
Plausibility means something seems believable or possible enough to accept seriously. In Gujarati, it is.
संभाव्यता,
If your cat says it wrote your homework, the
संभाव्यता.
is low. Coherence means parts fit together logically and smoothly. In Gujarati, it is.
सुसंगतता,
A good speech has.
सुसंगतता.
A speech about pizza, moon rocks, and your left sock probably does not. A funny story in town hall. Now you will hear a short story that ties all the words together. If a mayor, a reporter, and a missing snack sound promising, you are in the right place. In the town of Honestpur, the mayor held a public meeting. She wanted to improve her credibility, or
विश्वसनीयता,
because last year she had promised a new park and delivered only one bench and a confused pigeon. Her reputation, her
प्रतिष्ठा.
had become shaky. People still liked her, but they no longer clapped with confidence. Some clapped the way people clap when a microwave finally stops beeping. So she said, from now on, we will have full transparency. In Gujarati,
पारदर्शिता,
she opened the town budget, the project notes, and even a drawer labeled miscellaneous wires, which was honestly terrifying. Then the town manager added traceability.
अनुसरणीयता,
Every brick, every bill, and every biscuit order could be followed step by step. A reporter checked the explanation. He said, this has plausibility.
संभाव्यता.
It actually sounds believable. Finally, the mayor gave a speech that started with the problem, moved to the plan, and ended with results. It had real coherence.
सुसंगतता,
For once, nobody asked, why are we suddenly discussing ducks? Slowly, her trustworthiness, her
विश्वसनीयता,
returned. And with time, so did her
प्रतिष्ठा.
quick dialogues. Let us make the words speak. Repeat the Gujarati words after each tiny dialogue. A. Can we trust this news source? B. Yes, it has.
विश्वसनीयता,
A. Why do people respect that teacher so much? B. Because she has a strong.
प्रतिष्ठा.
A. Is he dependable? B. Yes, his.
विश्वसनीयता.
Is well known. A. Why does the public trust this office? B. Because it values.
पारदर्शिता.
A. How did they find the error in production? B. Thanks to.
अनुसरणीयता.
A. Does this explanation sound believable? B. Yes, it has.
संभाव्यता.
A. Why does this essay feel smooth? B. Because it has.
सुसंगतता.
Memory tricks that actually behave. You do not need magic, but a little drama helps. Here are quick memory images for each word. 4.
विश्वसनीयता.
Imagine a bridge made of truth. If the bridge holds, that is credibility. 4.
प्रतिष्ठा.
Imagine a glass trophy. Beautiful, respected, and easy to damage. For trustworthiness, again use.
विश्वसनीयता.
Imagine a friend returning your lost wallet and not even taking the dramatic receipt. 4.
पारदर्शिता.
Imagine a crystal clear window. You can see everything. 4.
अनुसरणीयता.
Imagine a glowing line tracing a package from factory to shop to your table. 4.
संभाव्यता.
Imagine a judge weighing a strange story on a scale marked believable or nonsense. 4.
सुसंगतता.
Imagine puzzle pieces locking together with a satisfying click. That click is the sound of your brain becoming organized. Mini challenge. Time for a quick test. No stress. If you miss one, your dictionary will not file a complaint. What is the Gujarati word for reputation?
प्रतिष्ठा.
What is the Gujarati word for transparency?
पारदर्शिता.
What is the Gujarati word for traceability?
अनुसरणीयता.
What is the Gujarati word for plausibility?
संभाव्यता.
What is the Gujarati word for coherence?
सुसंगतता.
What Gujarati word can mean both credibility and trustworthiness here?
विश्वसनीयता.
Your speaking challenge. Now use the words out loud. You do not need perfection, just courage and maybe a dramatic voice. Say, credibility is important in journalism. In Gujarati.
પત્રકારિતામાં વિશ્વસનીયતા મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે.
Say, a good reputation takes years to build. In Gujarati.
સારી પ્રતિષ્ઠા બનાવવા માટે વર્ષો લાગે છે.
Say, transparency builds trust. In Gujarati.
પારદર્શિતા વિશ્વાસ બનાવે છે.
Say, traceability is important in manufacturing. In Gujarati.
ઉત્પાદનમાં अनुसरणीयता મહત્વપૂર્ણ છે.
Say, we need to test the plausibility of this explanation. In Gujarati.
આ સમજૂતીની સંભાવ્યતા તપાસવાની જરૂર છે.
Say, good writing needs coherence. In Gujarati.
સારા લખાણને સુસંગતતા જરૂરી છે.
Friendly conclusion. You made it through a whole parade of advanced words, and nobody even made you write an essay about invisible governance biscuits. That is a win. Today you practiced credibility and trustworthiness as.
વિશ્વસનીયતા.
Reputation as.
प्रतिष्ठा.
Transparency as.
पारदर्शिता.
Traceability as.
अनुसरणीयता.
Plausibility as.
संभाव्यता.
And coherence as.
सुसंगतता.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, say the words aloud, use them in your own sentences, and come back again soon. You are building real English Gujarati vocabulary, one smart word at a time.